Hello students, welcome to this session. In this video, we will learn about impact and features of drone technology. In this video, we will discuss about key industries and applications of drones, future trends of drones, and also the case study about the real-time example of a drone. And my name is Kamali, and let's get started. This is where things get really interesting. Drones are no longer just a novelty, they are transforming industries across the board. We can see the drones in the agriculture fields. In agriculture, drone equipped with sensors can monitor crops health, identify area needed, and optimize irrigation and fertilizations. The result is higher yields and reduced resources waste. In constructions, also drones are being used to survey sites, track progress, and inspect infrastructures. This may lead to saving the time and improving the safety. And of course, we cannot forget logistics and delivery. Nowadays, many people are using the drones for many applications. So, what's the bottom line? Why are business investing in drone technology? The answer is simple: ROI. ROI stands for return on investment. It is a measure used to evaluate the efficiency or profitability of an investment. In the context of drone technology, ROI can be seen through various benefits. Drones can significantly reduce costs by automating tasks, collecting data faster, and maximizing human risks. They improve efficiency by streamlining workflow and providing real-time insights. They enhance safety by allowing us to inspect dangerous infrastructure from a safety distance. The data collected by drones is incredibly valuable, providing businesses with a deeper understanding of their opportunities and perhaps most importantly, embracing drone technology can give business a significant competitive advantages. The future of drone technology is incredibly bright. We are seeing advancements in artificial intelligence that will enable drones to fly autonomously and make intelligent decisions. 5G connectivity will allow for real-time data streaming and improved communication. Advanced sensors such as LiDAR and thermal cameras are expanding the capabilities of drones. Urban area mobility with the promise of air taxis could revolutionize transportations. And we are even seeing the development of drone swarms where multiple drones work together to accomplish a complex tasks. These are just a few of existing trends shaping the future of this industry. Let's look at a real-world example of the transformative power of drones. Zipline. Do you heard about the Zipline? This company is using drones to deliver essential medical supplies like blood and vaccines to remote area of Africa, particularly in Rwanda and Ghana. Zipline originally started delivering blood samples and medical products in Rwanda in 2016 and has since expanding to food, retail, agricultural products and animal health products, etc. Zipline has two platforms, one for long-range delivery and the other for precise home deliveries. To date, we have delivered to thousands of homes. They have delivered to thousands of homes, hospitals, and business in the US, Rwanda, Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, and Japan. Imagine trying to get a blood transfusion to someone in a rural village with bad roads. Zipline can do it in under 45 minutes. Zipline models show how drones can create sustainable businesses while addressing critical needs. They have built strong partnership with governments and proven they can scale up. So, how can you get started with drone technology? The first step is to identify a problem or opportunity where drones can add value to your business. And then next, you need to research the regulations and understand the legal framework. Then you will need to choose the right drone for your specific needs and train your team to operate it safely and effectively. It's crucial to develop a comprehensive safety plan and start with small pilot projects to test the waters before scaling up. Remember, integrating, integrating drones into your business is a journey, not a destination. So, in the conclusion, drone technology is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a powerful tool that transforming businesses across the globe. By embracing the drone revolution, businesses can unlock new opportunities that improves efficiency and gain a competitive advantages. Thank you.